Okay, here's YouTube TV on Xbox One. Actually, I have an Xbox One X, and you see how quickly it starts. Takes you to the main menu. You want to watch something, just select it. And waiting. It's pretty quick. Hit the down arrow. You can go to a live guide, change channels, and it starts up relatively quick. Now I just hit the A button and it paused. Hit the A button again and it's back to playing. See, recently watched. Oh, that's pretty cool. It shows you actually a live picture of what's on. That's a little more special than what was available on Android TV and Roku TV. We'll go back here to live guide. Let's pick Shark Tank. Okay, now I'm going to hit the B button and it takes me back to home. Pretty neat. This is similar to watching on a tablet. It will show you live pictures of what's playing most of the time. You have choices of what you'd like to see, what's popular, the NBA games, resume watching, sports. You see the choice is just huge. Shows, it's going to start off with what's on my DVR. Now each person can have their own DVR set up. News, family, movies. Let's go all the way back to the top. So we got library. These are all shows that are on my DVR. So this looks very similar to, well, it looks exactly like it looked on PlayStation, on Android TV and Roku TV. Over here to live TV, and you can check out those links at the bottom. So it's pretty quick when it changes channels from one to another. Well, this is interesting. Let's see how far back it allows me to rewind. That's pretty far. That's pretty far back. Hit the B button, hit the B button again. Back to home. Oh, let's look at this. Okay, here's what's interesting. Is see where it says custom? That's my guide in the custom order that I have it. And there's no way to change this from custom to all, or you can never go and select that. So I just thought that would be kind of cool to select that. If you want to change profiles, you can go over to the user. It's a pretty cool setup. It's very quick. And it's pretty nice that YouTube TV is available on all systems, including Xbox, where PlayStation View isn't. That's the only drawback I would say on PlayStation View is the non-availability on Xbox. I think they should change the name to PlayStation, or excuse me, to Sony View, or to just View, because PlayStation View is pretty remarkable, but a number of people don't use it because they think they have to have a PlayStation to watch it. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video on YouTube TV on the Xbox One. And please send me, some comments, what you would like to see. Do you have any additional questions? Love to hear from you. Give me a like if you like it. Thanks.